Alright, so we're actually in this trade right now, and we're looking at a sell option. I'm on the minute time frame, and I'm looking at this time just for my entries, but I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here so you can see. If you look at the hourly on GU on my phone, so we have, I like to do confirmational trading. They call it confluence trading. So let's just zoom out even more. So on the 4-hour time frame here, we can see that it was trending upwards right here, but now it looks like we hit this a little bit of consolidation, and now we're going to go to a sideways trend. So here's this. So we're looking for three signs here. Here it is. Here's 1, 2, and here is 3. For my entries, I like to lower it down here, and I like to get confluence on all the time frames, the 15, the 5, and the 1. So here's the 15. It looks like it's going to go bearish right here. Here's the 5. Looks like we got a nice little bearish engulfing candle right here. It took out 3 of these bullish candles here. And then if we look at the 1 minute, whoa, huge bearish engulfing candle. Now just to zoom in just a little bit, I like this, and this is the beginning of it right here. Here actually is the hammer, and then here's a doji. So I'm going to be looking to enter in here actually. I'm going to look to enter in here, and then I'll let you guys know. Yeah, it's 15, and then yeah, so we're going to enter in right here. So let's see what I want to do. I'm probably going to do, this is a smaller account here. So we're going to do about $2 a pip. All right, you can see a smaller account here. $9 in there, so let's see what happens. What I'm going for is hopefully to hit back to this zone here. And I make my markups on the 4-hour and the daily. So we're looking for about potentially about 50 to 60 pips, roughly. Actually, maybe more than that. Actually, 70 to 80 pips possibly. So let's see. I'll let you know. All right, so we're going to take a look at this trade. I actually fell asleep. But, you know, I always say that sometimes you fall asleep, you got to put your stop loss in. You never know what could happen. But look what it did. It actually ended up going down like I said it was going to go. We got in up here, in this area here. Remember? Let's look. Let's see a good look, and then I'll show you where we're at. So we actually got in this area up here, 1.36122. We can look at this here. So basically it's moved about 35 pips, so we're plus about $70. So it kind of did what I thought it was going to do, which works out. Sometimes it doesn't work out like that, but this time it did. So usually when it moves more than 20 pips, I like to move my stop loss up. So that's what we're going to do here. And then I like to take at least half of the position just to get some money, because you never know, man. These markets are crazy. So I'll take at least half the position. Right. I'll take at least $34, half the position. Perfect. And then I'll move the stop loss up. Let's see here. Modify it. So I'm going to move it back up. Actually, I'll show you here. So this is where we got in, right here, 1.36122. So I'm going to move it up, so if it does go back on us, which does happen a lot, believe it or not, I believe it's going to keep going down. However, if it does go back up on us and we get stopped out, I'm not going to lose any money. So we'll move this here. 36122. Boom. So now everything from now on is profit. So now, as you can see, it's 0.10, so it's $1 per pip. So I still don't think, even if it retraces a little bit, it's gonna go all the way down. So even if that does that, and let's say it go down here, let's say it'll be 3.5380. Be about 15 pips. 3.5 3.8, actually more than that. If I could do some math, it's about 25. So maybe I can make another 25 to 30 bucks out of this thing here. If it does that, then I'll be another, 50, 60 bucks. And I already got that, so maybe we can make about $80, $90 for the day. It's not bad. For a small account, you want to grow it, So yeah, maybe we'll check on it later, but that's just some quick money you can do. Yeah, the biggest takeaway is this is, you kind of got to do the opposite of what's going on in the market, because there's a lot of market manipulation, and these banks actually can push the price. All it takes is, remember this, all it takes is one trader to get into the market to change the direction of the market, if they have enough money to actually move it. But this one actually worked out so far, and as you can see, it's retracing. But if it does and we get stopped out, no worries, we make money today. But if it continues to go down, we'll make even more. So hopefully this helped you guys. Maybe I'll show you later the end result. If not, hopefully this helped.